In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make text bigger on Squarespace. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to press edit so that we can go into our site, and we're going to navigate to a page containing the text that you want to scale. Then go ahead and open the Site Styles panel by clicking on the paintbrush in the top right. Go ahead and press fonts, and then you can search for base size, and then you can press the minus or the plus button to scale down or to scale up your text respectively. If you want to assign specific font sizes for specific parts of your website, then you can go ahead and scroll down in the fonts panel and select Assign Styles. Go ahead and choose the type of text that you want to alter, and then you can go ahead and click on it. For this, we're going to be changing the heading of the site title, so we're just going to be clicking on that. And as you can see, there's a site title size as well as a scaler below it. So you can go ahead and drag the scale up and down to adjust the text size depending on your preference. If you have any questions, then leave it in the comments below, and leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out.